My people, how una dey? E get wetin I wan talk. You see this thing talk of a thing wey come so. E go drive many people for husband house o. No be lie o, e go drive many people for husband house o. You just dey hear woman go just talk say e don tey wey e dey for live TikTok since. E go say na 12 o'clock na she stay enter. 6 o'clock. Hey! Make una suffer o, my women, especially the women. Because una no come dey get time for una husband again. How woman go dey on TikTok live for good 6 hours? Wetin you dey talk? Matter. Wetin dem dey talk for there? I no know whether me, if I too stay for video, if I too stay 1 hour, if e don pass that 1 hour, my body, my bone don dey tell me say get up, enough is enough. No be lie o, how una take dey do am? 6 hours, person go just dey there. Sometimes I'll enter some TikTok. Dem go dey there. I'll go outside. If I still come, they will still dey there. Some people dey sleep there o. Some people just dey sleep this live TikTok. No be lie. Because you know if you just dey on TikTok live, wetin you come dey talk? If you too talk too much, maybe you carry people come up una too talk. At least 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes finish. Because no be say dem get like una just forget una husband. Especially those one wey still get small children. Una dey try. Me wey be say I still get my children wey they don be adult sef. I no fit stay. Right from the time, I no fit stay for life. I'll just dey there. 1 hour go just pass. Wetin we come dey gist? Wetin we come dey talk? Make una suffer, I don't say they not be say there's more than not do the TikTok of this TikTok life. But more than still they get time for my husband. Because you know, say some men, they really need their wife. If you can't see, say, all waiting you be need before from you, you don't they sit down for TikTok, you know they get time again. The man fit still go they look outside though. You understand? So men are not just they do it like that. You just see some people now every blessed day night they do it. I don't know whether they pay. That is going live. You know, say if you never reach there, you know what they happen. Now so YouTube, Facebook be that time. People they saying they know they talk, they know they just they tell say the truth well. You understand? So I believe say maybe then they pay all these people where they say that they just they sleep there. They will just stay there. So you can't see them, you can't they eat, can't they hide their mouth. You understand? You can't they, you know, all those things. If maybe you want to do TikTok, maybe okay, now 7 days, 9 days for a week. If not 3 days, use and take one. But no, they stay like that. Not be anything, If it still affect you, this our bonbon. It not made to sit down for good 6 hours without you not even get up. Some people still they do their own, they cook, you understand? They use time till they cook, they work up and down. But those one we just they sit down. Now they talk about, they'll just sit down. They'll just sleep there. Sometimes I want to go sleep for bed. I'll say, make I just jump enter TikTok. I'll still see some of them here, their river. Sleep, you can't they worry me safe. I'll come on for them. They'll see they there. Person wait, be say they there, 12 o'clock there now. 12 o'clock, whatever you say 6 o'clock. You know, go say maybe may you get up, may you even like straighten your leg. You know, all this muscle. Don't be lie. All this muscle where be say we get for body, they no need to sit down, they there quick. You know, they need to like shaking and moving and come out for body. Even though now 1 hour, go walk, go waka. Person like me now, I don't know whether they make me. I don't feel stay say I'll just dey for sit down. They there, wait how they do. For how many hours? Sometimes if I sit down like this, I'll still get up. I'll just walk up and down. I'll just still come back, you know, something like that. I don't know whether there's something not they worry on her. But Mona be careful. Mona not still go lose on her husband because of TikTok. because of TikTok, because they just do and say you feel even dey there, even though say make you sleep sef, some people they'll just open am down they'll just dey there they'll come forget say they get husband. No be so you take dey do am. While they always sense your mona still use small sense put. Mona still dey use small sense. Otherwise, even all these people wey even bring the TikTok come sef, if dem come see say una don dey use am too much. No be lie o. If dem don see say una don too dey use am too much, here dey see koto, dem fit come put am say you can only stay maybe for 2 hours or 3 hours, no more than that one. Because most our people una too dey do overdo. E no good. You cannot just stay on live video for many hours and you get husband. No, those one, especially those one wey get husband, which time you come take dey play with your husband. Your husband will see say you dey talk for that side, you with your people agbo keke, only you wan go dey for one corner. E no good o. If you are a married woman, no dey stay too much for all these things. Wetin you come dey talk mayiwata severi oni awata lot. If you me whether na because of me I know say some of them go say e dey make them while away the time, all those things. But if you get your husband, go dey play with your husband. Go and play with your husband. E dey very important. Too much 6 hours is too much. Wey you just take sit down for there, just dey gbokeke. Before you know, the man now go come dey look outside. You go say the woman na TikTok don carry am for im hand. Una don dey those one wey be say dem not just dey do every blessed day, God go bless una because dem dey use dem sense. Dem know say dem get family. Most of them now dem don forget say dem get family. Who come be their family now? Na that e phone. If you just enter e phone, just enter TikTok. Owareba wa talene. Agijere where children go eat. Husband you go talk with your husband. Wey una use sense take dey do am. 6 hours is too much for somebody to sit down every blessed day. Every blessed day you come old because you no dey do exercise. Every blessed day you just sit there for there. Every blessed day me go dey ask myself say how you take dey do am, sister? How you take dey do am when you just dey there? And some of them still dey talk and say na 12 o'clock nowadays since una take dey here since I don try make I come close. Come here. I say how much me go dey ask myself say how much they come give you for that 6 hours? Maybe dem dey pay I no know because I never reach that junction. Maybe if I don still reach that junction, I come see and say okay dem dey pay them. Abi na that gift wey dem dey give una na only that one. If na only that one is not enough if dem dey pay una say na work na dey, but that sitting down you see that your ikebe, that your ekpiyeke na there na you go dey feel am. No be lie, you go dey feel am all your back because it's not made, our body it's not made to sit down like hours. E still be like those people wey be say dem dey drive trailer. You don see say dem dey complain about all their because they sit down for many hours to drive. Na make am sometimes dem still just stop for somewhere, dem will sleep, make their body for this one no be lie. I know say some of una say madam dey go this one the other, but na the truth I tell you. Know say if you tell our people the truth they cry. Go and be do sweetie with your husband. Make your love for the tight. Not just depend on social media TikTok. Not just dey there just like chingon with your TikTok. Your husband you can't be like honey I don cook make you do, make you go eat. Your husband only you wan go eat. Your husband only you wan go eat. When your children go take dey sleep, you no go know. E no good though. E no good. Too much of everything e no good because all this social this thing, if you enter inside your brain too much e no good. You come close one eye, you come dey think about TikTok. You come say which time I take enter today, which time I take comot today. And people, I get wetin I wan talk. Why come be aware small any yama. Those people wey be say their children don still grow, okay, good and fine, but una still get husband, especially if you get husband. Why get one yawe? Use sense. Everything na sense. Overdoing something, e dey destroy. E dey destroy one way and another. E go destroy something. You no come get time to even play with your husband. Your husband tell you say make we come go so place. You say no, I get appointment with my people wey dey for TikTok. You understand? No be gbon you talk. No be all man dey take all that thing. Anyway, na just short video now because you get the video where I just still jam just now say you still there here. That make me I say me I can't do this video for those people. Make una wasiere involved too much.